Intermountain Medical Center is helping patients breathe better. The hospital is getting nationwide attention for their efforts, and for the first time in its 10-year history, the hospital has been recognized as one of America's best hospitals, including its pulmonology program. U.S. News and World Report looked at the hospital's specialized care and research in lung disease.
The demand for oxygen seems to increase and probably will continue to increase.
Former longtime mayor of Harriman, James Crane, was diagnosed with lung disease several years ago.
I had a lung disease called interstitial lung disease.
It's scarring of the lung that can be caused by exposure to hazardous material. But in cases such as in Crane's, doctors don't quite know the cause and can't necessarily point to a short stint mining copper during his college years.
Dry that copper, and sometimes there was some copper dust.
Doctors at Intermountain Medical Center's pulmonology program specialize in a range of lung diseases, from the rare to the common diagnosis, such as asthma and chronic respiratory problems.
Sometimes it's something as simple or complex as somebody who's short of breath, and it's not really clear why they're short of breath. And so our role is really to examine all the various areas and look for problems related to the lungs that might be causing that.
U.S. News not only ranked Intermountain Medical Center as one of America's best hospitals, but rated its pulmonary program 48th in the nation when it comes to care. Dr. Denitza Blagev says she and her team are helping Utahns breathe better. While the state has the lowest rate of tobacco use, she sees patients with all sorts of issues. She points to the state's mining history, inversions, and high air pollution.
So one of the things that we do is try to figure out ways that we can mitigate these flares or exacerbations of lung diseases and try and help people understand how to protect themselves as much as possible. Unfortunately, air pollution is not just a wintertime issue. It seems to be close to year-round. So, for example, even in the summer, we've had problems with ozone and then the particulates from fires.
Crane's condition is not curable, but he believes he's getting the best care possible.
Well, I'm grateful to live in an area where we have competent and contemporary current medical treatment.
Intermountain Medical Center was also ranked in outstanding services for all kinds of disciplines: diabetes, endocrinology, nephrology, and urology. U.S. News looked at 4,500 medical centers nationwide, so quite a distinction.
Yeah, I will say.
All right, well, coming up in consumer news, the job